There is this YouTube channel setting I want us to go and do now in our YouTube Studio dashboard, and I know that a lot of us have not done this properly, and it hurts me a lot because someone just reached out to me. She opened a channel new, right, and she's into all this food stuff and cooking stuff, and she complained to me that she doesn't know why her videos are always stuck. It's just as if her channel is not noticed by YouTube is not recommending her videos, like everything is just stuck. She's not getting views. And I said, oh, I'll go to her setting and screenshot this particular channel setting to me. God, when she screenshot it to me, guess what is there? You see, these keywords are very, very, very important, because it's just like your SEO tools. They are just actually telling you to what your channel is all about. This particular person put another niche keywords in her channel. So with this, how is YouTube going to know your right audience? How will YouTube know who they are going to push this video to? Because in your channel setting, you're having a different keywords, and in your videos is totally different from what is in your channel setting. So this particular keywords is very, very, very important, because it's very easy and it's very searchable. Whenever they go to search about one particular thing about your niche and is related to your keywords, YouTube is going to recommend your channel to people out there, and it's going to make your channel to be recognized by a lot of people, and YouTube is going to know your right audience to push your video to, right? So that a lot of people out there are still in this situation. Yes, a lot of complaints here and there, but it's just a little mistake that we don't know about that is affecting our channel. Some of us will be putting other people's niche that is not supposed to be in our channel, in our niche. So I'm going to take you through. We go to our YouTube Studio dashboard to do this setting, and after listening to this video, believe me, you're going to know where you belong. So if you feel this video is what you like to watch, please like, subscribe, and share this video. So now let's dive in straight to our YouTube Studio dashboard. This is the interface of my YouTube Studio dashboard. So you click on setting, right? So it will bring you to this place. You click on channel, because we want to do this channel setting. And if you don't know your keywords yet, please don't just put any keywords in this channel setting and you will say it's not important, it's not necessary. Everything in this YouTube Studio dashboard, they are all necessary, and they all works in their own way, because if they are not important, YouTube will not place it here. YouTube is not human being that will be going to your channel one after the other. YouTube is just an AI. So it's all this setting that we censor them, you understand, that is going to make the algorithm to notice your channel, because all these things are already set. If all these settings are not properly done, it will just look as if you are just stagnant, like you are not going forward, you are not going backward, you are just there. That means YouTube is not even recognizing your channel. YouTube did not even know what the channel is all about. So this is the keywords that is sending message to censor, like to YouTube algorithm, what your channel is all about. So don't just go ahead and put any other person keywords. Like someone actually watched my video and she's into all these hairstyles and lifestyle vlogging. She went ahead and put my keywords in her channel keywords. Like, how are they related? Me, I'm doing everything about YouTube growth, and that is why everything related to YouTube growth and YouTube recommendation and everything are in these my keywords that are very easy to search. So once anybody go to search anything related to my keywords, YouTube is going to recommend my video or my channel to that person. You understand? So keywords are very, very important. If you know that you are into vlogging, just go ahead and put vlogging, vloggers, and so on. Or if it is very difficult for you to do, all you need to do is just for you to check those people that are doing very, 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 very well in your niche. Go ahead and place their names here. It is very, very important. It is very easy now for us, because whatever you know you are confused of or you don't have an idea, all you need to do is just for you to go to Google and make your research, and you're going to see keywords that are related to your niche, even tags that are related to your niche. You're going to see it there. You understand? So we should take note of this. All these things are very important. If you have a different keywords here and you are putting a different video totally, that means YouTube did not even know what niche you are into. You understand? They won't even know the right audience to push that video to. So all these settings are very, very important, and we should please try to take note of them. If you know yours is not properly done, after watching this video, just go ahead and do it right. You understand? Go ahead and do it right, because it is very, very, very important. After doing this, you're going to see how your video is going to be recognized. So if you are still watching this video to this extent, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video, guys. One love. And if you're watching this video, you've not subscribed, please subscribe and join this wonderful family. Thank you, guys. See you on my next video. Bye.